Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. How are you all? कैसे हैं आप सब? How's everyone doing? Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning, Kumud. Good morning, Nirmal. Good morning, Sandhya. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Swati. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning, Kalpana. How are you all? How are you all? I'm good, everyone. Thank you for asking. I'm good. I'm doing good, everyone. How are you all? How was your weekend? How was your Sunday, everyone? What did you do? How was your Sunday, everyone? I am good, Nirmal. I'm good. How was your Sunday, everyone? It was fine. What did you all do? कल सबने क्या किया? What did you all do, everyone, yesterday? What did you all do yesterday, everyone? Good morning, everyone. Nothing. Lockdown Sunday. So how did you made your lockdown Sunday effective? कुछ सीखा आप लोगों ने? Or you rested the entire day, or you were, you read a book. जो मैंने आपको बुक बोली है पढ़ने के लिए, वो पढ़ी आप लोगों ने? Nothing, just chilling. How do you chill, everyone? Boring weekend. See, nothing is boring. It depends upon how we take things, okay? Nothing is boring. You visited your grandparents' house. Why? In this COVID scenario, it is not safe for you as well as not safe for them as well, right? Nothing, holiday homework. Okay, good. Awesome. Yesterday was my rest day. Yesterday I took a lot of rest. Your session was also not there, and my other sessions were also not there. So it was a very chill day yesterday for me. Good morning, Kush. So it was a very chill day for me yesterday. I was just chilling. I was taking rest, and then I attended a couple of sessions from my mentor, and yeah, that's what I did yesterday. And then yesterday I made an ice cream. So I had that, and yeah, that's pretty much about it. And then I slept. I'm good, Kush. I'm good. So everyone, I gave you a task on Saturday. So आप लोगों में से कितने लोगों ने किया वो? How many of you have done the task? Everyone? Making notes of personality development. Good, Sandhya. Good. I want to ask कि जो आपको task, because yesterday मौसम is very rainy. No, was very rainy. Okay? Have clear knowledge about what I would say, the tenses, present, future, past. इस सब के बारे में पता रहना चाहिए. Otherwise, you will just not be able to do it. Okay? So have this in your mind that your tenses are very, very clear. Okay, everyone? Good. So a task was given to all of you on Saturday. किसने किया वो task? How many of you have done the task and how many of you have sent the video to me? कितने लोगों ने किया? How many of you have done the task that was given to all of you? And everyone, I have a very good news for you today. I have a very good news for all of you today. Everyone, I have a very good news for all of you today. So I will be telling you in a while, like after 5 minutes or 5-6 minutes, I will tell you what the good news is, okay? So are you excited to know about it? Are you excited to know about what is your good news for the day? Everyone? Everyone, are you excited to know what is your... There is a competition. Okay, yes. Yeah, there is a competition. The competition जिसके बारे में मैं आपको बता रही थी from the very beginning. It's live now. So you have to prepare your videos on the given topics like this: self-love, positivity, all your experience with the Raval Digital Month, and there are other topics as well. So you have to prepare your video of 1 minute, and it will be only in English. You have to prepare your videos only in English, and then you have to send it to the WhatsApp number. So you can find the details on the Raval Digital Month Facebook page only. There will be a poster over there. Yeah, the time limit would be 1 minute. The time limit will be 1 minute, and you have to prepare it in English, and you have to send it to the WhatsApp numbers that are given to you on the poster, and you have to send your videos by 5th of June. By 5th of June, 6 PM से पहले आपको भेजनी है, and all of you will get certificates for that. Okay, so all of you please participate. Please participate in the competition. It's very 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 important because अगर आप लोगों ने अपना time invest किया है यहाँ पे, so it's very important that you are participating in the competition as well. Okay, it's very very important that you are taking part in the competition as well, so that you are getting that visibility. People should know you. Even I will be able to see that. Okay, I will be judging all your videos. So be prepared that yes, you have to give your... You will find all the topics on the Raval Digital Month page. So competition अभी live हुआ है. So you will find in the poster, personality development का poster होगा. वहाँ पे you can find all your topics, and then yeah, and then you can just prepare your videos of 1 minute, and there should be lightning. हाँ जी, fifth day तो हो चुका है ना. Maybe you are talking about the 5th of June. 5th June को क्लास होगी. Okay, so everybody. Okay everyone, so this is something that I wanted to tell all of you, and now we will focus upon the topics for the day that we are going to cover. So we are going to cover about how you can just give me a second. So today we will be focusing upon how you can develop your personality. Okay, we know what is personality, we know what is confidence, we know what is self-love, we know what is positive mindset, we know what is communication, we know how important all of these things are. So now we will be talking about how to develop your personality. Okay everyone, make sense? समझ आया? All of you excited to know about how you can develop your personality? Yes? All of you are excited to know how you can develop your personality, everyone? Okay. What about others? Give me a yes. Awesome. Good. Good. So we all know that we have talked about different topics till now, right? It has been day 8 today. So we have talked about different topics. So today we will be talking about how to develop your personality in a very effective manner. So we are going to talk about 5 to 6 ways through which you can develop your personality. So the first thing that you have to take care in your mind, everyone, is The first thing that you have to take in your mind, everyone, is while you want to develop your personality is that you have to think yourself like you are a positive magnet. Write down that you are a positive magnet, everyone. It's very, very, very important, everyone, that you are a positive magnet. Always remember, nobody wants to talk to a person who is very negative. So in order to develop your personality, you have to firstly make yourself a very positive person. You have to make yourself a very positive person. Okay? The way you talk to yourself needs to be positive, and the way you talk to others needs to be positive. Right? And the way we talk to ourselves is named as self-talk. The way we talk to ourselves is known as self-talk. So we have to remember the way we are talking to ourselves is very, very effective. हमें सबसे पहले ये आइडेंटिफाई करना है, सबसे एक तरीका जिससे हम अपनी पर्सनालिटी को ग्रूम अप कर सकते हैं वो है हमेशा पॉजिटिव रहना. थिंक योरसेल्फ लाइक यू आर अ पॉजिटिव मैग्नेट. अपने आप को सोचो कि आप एक पॉजिटिविटी के मैग्नेट हो. आप अपने आप से भी पॉजिटिव वे में बात करते हो, आप लोगों से भी पॉजिटिव वे में बात करते हो. तो ऐसे में क्या होता है, व्हेन यू आर डूइंग दिस यू इवेंचुअली आर ग्रूमिंग अप योर पर्सनालिटी. आपके आसपास जितने भी लोग होंगे उनको यही दिखता है कि ये इंसान कितना अच्छा है. राइट? ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू हैव टू काइंड ऑफ पीपल इन योर लाइफ. आपकी लाइफ में दो टाइप के इंसान हैं. तो फर्स्ट टाइप इज द ऑलवेज मोटिवेट यू. हम आपको हमेशा मोटिवेट ही करते रहते हैं कि हाँ बेटा यू कैन डू इट, यू विल बी एबल टू डू इट. अगर एक बार नहीं हुआ तो फिर से ट्राई करो, हो जाएगा हो जाएगा हो जाएगा. और उसके कॉन्ट्ररी आपकी लाइफ में कोई ऐसा इंसान है जो आपको बोलते हैं कि बेटा आपसे तो कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता, आप तो कुछ कर ही नहीं सकते हो, आपसे तो ये होगा भी नहीं, आपसे तो ये होगा भी नहीं. तो आप कौन से इंसान के पास जाना पसंद करेंगे, ए और बी? ए इज हु इज ऑलवेज पुटिंग यू डाउन एंड बी इज हु इज ऑलवेज मोटिवेटिंग यू. विद हुम यू विल हुम, किसके साथ आपको बात करने में ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा एवरीवन, ए और बी? ए इंसान के साथ या बी इंसान के साथ? ए इंसान के साथ जो हमेशा आपको गलत बोल रहा है. अच्छा, ओके. कुछ इज सेइंग बी, सुबह इज सेइंग बी, आयान इज सेइंग बी. Rama, you like to meet such kind of people who always telling negative things. Everybody likes to be around people those who are always motivating you. So first of all, you also have to become a person. You also have to become a person who is always positive, so that people would come to you and they would love to talk to you. Make sense, everyone? That's how you develop your personality. That's how you develop your personality. It's very, very important, everyone, that in order to build your personality, you are focusing upon the positive. It's very, very, very important. समझ आया सबको? Everybody understood? Everybody? Exactly. Parents who motivates us. Yes, indeed. Thank you, Subhav. Ma'am, who is saying you can do it. Yeah, exactly. You like to go to such people, right? Those who are actually helping you to do something amazing, right? For example, they stop us to grow. वो हमारा mentally हमको negative कर देते हैं. It's very important that you stay away from such kind of people. So you also have to become a person who is very positive, everyone. You also have to become a person who is into the B category. Okay, how you will do that? When you change your self-talk and you just work on your mindset. The second aspect towards developing your personality is that take yourself lightly. Don't be harsh on yourself. Write down that don't be harsh on yourself. Don't be harsh on yourself. अब इसका मतलब क्या है? हम लोग जब कोई काम करते हैं, don't be harsh on yourself. Don't be harsh on yourself. अब इसका मतलब क्या है? ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, फॉर एग्जाम्पल जब मैं आपको वीडियोस बनाने के लिए देती हूँ तो मे भी ऐसा होता हो कि आपकी वीडियो 1 बारी में नहीं बनती, 2 बारी में नहीं बनती, 3 बारी में नहीं बनती, 4 बारी में नहीं बनती, 5 बारी में नहीं बनती, 6 बारी में नहीं बनती। तो आप लोग अपने आप को बोलते हो ना कि मुझसे तो हो ही नहीं रहा, आई एम ऑफ नो यूज, मुझसे क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, आई एम नॉट एबल टू डू इट, ऑल दीज थिंग्स हैपन, ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स हैपन एवरीवन। जब आपको कोई टास्क भी दे दो या आपको कोई मैथ्स का सम दे दो या कुछ भी दे दो, अगर आपसे नहीं होता, अगर आप 1 बार 2 बार ट्राई करते हो, आप गिव अप करने की ट्राई करते हो कि मुझसे तो हो ही नहीं रहा है। होता है ऐसा कि if a task is given to you and you are not able to do it, you start being very harsh to yourself, isn't it? You start being very harsh to yourself mentally. So you have to remember one thing, people. You have to remember one thing, people, कि आपकी जो भी आप करना चाह रहे हो, you are not a perfect person. Nobody is perfect. अगर आप आज मुझे बोलो कि मैम आपको डांस करना है तो मैं नहीं कर सकती क्योंकि मैं उससे परफेक्ट नहीं हूँ। लेकिन हाँ, अगर आप मेरे को बोलोगे कि मैम हमको बोलना है तो डेफिनेटली आई विल बी एबल टू डू इट बिकॉज दैट इज समथिंग इसको मेरे को आता है। तो आप जब कुछ भी चीज़ नया करते हो, you are doing something new for the very first time, always remember, don't be harsh on yourself. When you want to groom up your personality, when you want to change your mindset, when you want to become positive, when you focus on your mindset and everything happens. इनिशियली आपको दिक्कत आती है, लेकिन जब इनिशियली दिक्कत आती है आप खुद को क्या बोलते हो कि मुझसे तो हो ही नहीं रहा। तो इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एवरीवन कि आप अपने आप को ये सब चीज़ें ना बोले, बिकॉज यू शुड नॉट बी हार्श ऑन योर सेल्फ। डोंट टेक योर सेल्फ कि येस यू विल अचीव परफेक्शन इन वन टाइम, that you will receive perfection in one time. Always remember, you are a work in progress. You are a work in progress. For example, हम किसी रोड से जाते हैं, वहाँ पे कोई पुल बन रहा है या वहाँ पे मेट्रो का काम चल रहा है, तो वहाँ पे बड़ा सा बोर्ड लगा होता है वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस का। वहाँ पे क्या लगा होता है? एक बड़ा सा बोर्ड लगा होता है, isn't it? वहाँ पे एक बहुत बड़ा सा बोर्ड लगा होता है वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस का। तो वो वाला बोर्ड आपको अपने माइंड को भी बोलना होता है कि आई एम नॉट अ परफेक्शनिस्ट इन दिस थिंग, आई एम लर्निंग एंड आई एम अ वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस। जब आप वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस होते हो तो आप अपने ऊपर लाइट रहते हो, क्योंकि आपको पता है कि आप गलतियाँ करोगे, Okay, so it's very very important everyone that you are focusing on the positive and you're not being harsh on yourself. Don't be harsh on yourself everyone. It's very 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 important. Even मैं अपना बात बताती हूँ, जब मैं इनिशियली स्टार्ट कर रही थी बात करना, कम्युनिकेट करना, वीडियोस बनाना एंड ऑल सच थिंग्स, तो मेरे साथ भी ऐसा होता था कि मैं बहुत बार रीटेक्स लेती थी। आई यूज टू टेक रीटेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम, कभी 10 बार, कभी 15 बार, कभी 20 बार, एंड अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स आई यूज टू टेक द रीटेक। बट इवेंचुअली क्या हुआ, मैंने अपने आप को ये वाली चीज़ समझाई कि मैं अभी सीख रही हूँ, मैं परफेक्ट नहीं हूँ। तो जब ये वाला थॉट आप अपने माइंड को देते हो कि अभी आप सीख रहे हो, अभी आप परफेक्ट नहीं हो, तो होता क्या है, तब आपका माइंड लाइट हो जाता है, and similarly you get the power to tackle everything. Okay, so you don't have to be harsh on yourself everyone. So it's very very important that you remain positive and test negative. You be positive in your mind and you test negative in your report, and then you are just focusing on your mindset, as well as you are not taking yourself very harshly. जब एक छोटा बच्चा होता है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपके घर में एक छोटा बच्चा आता है, and that छोटा बच्चा is trying to crawl, okay? So what happens over there is, जब वो गिरता है या उससे नहीं हो पाता है तो आप उसको गुस्सा करते हो, या वो बच्चा अपने आप को ये वाली चीज़ बोलता है कि मुझसे तो हो ही नहीं सकता? नहीं ना, आप उसको हेल्प करते हो, आप उसको बोलते हो कि आपसे हो सकता है, यू कैन डू इट, कम, राइट? दैट्स व्हाट यू डू। सिमिलरली आपको भी अपने उसमें आपको भी अपने साथ यही करना है, आपको अपने माइंड को भी यही सब चीज़ें बोलनी है। ऑलराइट एवरीवन, मेक सेंस? मेक सेंस एवरीवन? समझ आया? फर्स्ट इज दैट यू हैव टू थिंक लाइक यू आर अ पॉजिटिव मैग्नेट. Second is you don't have to be harsh on yourself. That's very 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 important. समझ आया सबको? Everybody understood? Everybody understood? Very good. So the third thing that we have to talk about over here is when you want to develop your personality. So when you want to develop your personality, it's very 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 important everyone that you are staying enthusiastic. That you are staying enthusiastic. आपके अंदर बहुत सारी एनर्जी है, आप मोटिवेटेड रहते हो, आप हमेशा पॉजिटिव रहते हो, आप हमेशा ज़ील होती है आपके अंदर, एक एंथुजियाज्म होता है. यू आर ऑलवेज फिल्ड विद एंथुजियाज्म. व्हाई? ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, नोबडी वांट्स टू टॉक टू अ लेजी पर्सन. नोबडी वांट्स टू टॉक टू अ लेजी पर्सन, राइट? अगर आपकी फैमिली में ऐसा कोई है जिसके अंदर एनर्जी होती ही नहीं है, वो हमेशा ऐसे ही रहते हैं कि नहीं मेरे को तो नहीं पता ऐसे, so you don't want to talk to them, right? You feel like it's a waste of time to dig in the hole and to talk to them, right? So it's very very important everyone that you are staying always enthusiastic, that you are staying always enthusiastic. You have a lot of energy, you're always radiating energy. Okay, that's very very important everyone. So ये वाली चीज़ आपको अपने माइंड में हमेशा रखनी है. एक पर्सनालिटी जो कि बहुत इफेक्टिव होती है, एक पर्सनालिटी जो बहुत अच्छी होती है, वो हमेशा एनर्जेटिक रहती है. तो आपको भी अपने अंदर वही एनर्जी लेवल या वही एंथुजियाज्म रखना है. यू हैव टू बिकम enthusiastic. इफ यू आर नॉट enthusiastic, ट्रस्ट मी, nobody wants to talk to you. अगर आप enthusiastic है, मे बी अगर आप कहीं जाते हैं और वहाँ के लोग enthusiastic नहीं है, वहाँ के लोगों में एनर्जी नहीं है, लेकिन जब वो आपको देखेंगे, वो आपसे बात करेंगे, वो भी अपने अंदर एक चेंज महसूस करेंगे. होता है ना कभी कभी ऐसा कि आप लोग किसी से मिलते हो, अगर आपको लो फील हो रहा होता है तो आप एकदम से अच्छा लगता है, राइट? तो आपको एकदम से अच्छा लगता है. तो सिमिलरली आपको भी वैसा एक इंसान बनना है जिससे सबको बात करके अच्छा लगता है, जिसके अंदर बहुत सारी एनर्जी है, जो बहुत मोटिवेटेड रहता है, राइट? तो आपको भी अपने अंदर यू हैव टू बिकम रियली वेरी 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 एंथुजियास्टिक. ओके एवरीवन, गॉट इट एवरीवन? समझ आया सबको? गुड, very good, very good. Always remember one thing also, when you want to groom up your personality, the people you spend your time with actually matters a lot. When you want to groom up your personality, when you want to develop your personality, for example you want to learn dancing, आपको डांसिंग सीखनी है, तो आप कैसे लोगों के साथ अपना टाइम स्पेंड करोगे? जो लोग डांसर्स हैं या जो लोग सिंगर्स हैं? एवरीवन, इफ यू वांट टू, फॉर एग्जांपल यू वांट टू लर्न हाउ टू डांस, तो आप कैसे लोगों के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करोगे? आप कैसे लोगों के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करोगे? जो लोग डांसर्स हैं या जो लोग सिंगर्स हैं? टेल मी फटाफट. डांसर्स, राइट? व्हाट अबाउट अदर्स? All of you are saying dancers, right? Good, good, good. हाँ, why it is said? अब ऐसा होता क्यों है? Because you are some total of 5 people you spend your time with. You spend your time with, okay? It's very, very, very important everyone कि आप लोग अपने जैसा आपको इंसान बनना है, आप उन्हीं लोगों के साथ अपना टाइम स्पेंड कर रहे हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आप अपने आप से ये बोल रहे हो दैट यस आई वांट टू डेवलप माय पर्सनालिटी, मुझे अपनी पर्सनालिटी डेवलप करनी है. तो आपको अपने आप को ये चीज़ बोलनी होगी कि मुझे भी वैसे लोगों के साथ ही रहना है जो शायद पॉजिटिव है, जो मोटिवेटेड है, जिनका एक विजन है लाइफ के लिए, जो कि इधर उधर की बातें नहीं करते, वो सक्सेस के बारे में बात करते हैं, वो पढ़ाई के बारे में बात करते हैं, वो पॉजिटिविटी के बारे में बात करते हैं. तो आप लोगों को भी वैसे ही लोगों के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करना चाहिए. समझ आया? और ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि आपको वैसे लोग ना मिले, अगर आप निकलने ढूंढने निकलो तो आपको वैसे लोग ना मिले, तो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर इट्स बेटर टू बी अलोन. Always remember that it's better to be alone than to be around people those who are not doing something in their life. Those who are not doing something in their life. And somebody asked me, ma'am, first day watching 108 and now watching only 17 people. See, it depends upon the person who is taking the information and not the person who is giving the information. Right? वो आज के बच्चे इसलिए आए थे क्योंकि फर्स्ट डे था, देखने आए थे क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं हो रहा. जिस किसी के अंदर लर्निंग एबिलिटी है, जिसको सीखना है, तो वो रोज आएगा ही, चाहे वो एक बच्चा क्यों ना हो, चाहे वो एक बच्चा क्यों ना हो. अब इससे ये क्या पता चलता है कि अभी हमारी सोसाइटी में कितने ऐसे बच्चे हैं कि कितने ऐसे लोग हैं जिनको खुद को अपग्रेड करने में कोई मतलब ही नहीं है, जो डोंट वांट टू डू समथिंग इन देयर लाइफ. उनको बस ये है कि जैसे गाड़ी चल रही है वैसे चलती ही रहे, जैसा उनका माइंडसेट है वैसे बना ही रहे. दे डोंट वांट टू डू समथिंग न्यू इन देयर लाइफ, दे डोंट वांट टू डेवलप देमसेल्फ. इससे हमें ये पता चलता है, राइट, इससे हमें ये पता चलता है. तो अगर आप यहाँ पे रोज आते तो डोंट फोकस अपॉन कितने बच्चे हैं, डोंट फोकस अपॉन कितने बच्चे हैं, क्योंकि मैं तो रोज वही इन्फॉर्मेशन देती हूँ. मेरे पढ़ाने का स्टाइल जैसे पिछले साल था वही वो भी अभी है, और मेरे लिए 108 के लिए भी टीचिंग स्टाइल वही है, मेरे लिए 17 के लिए, 20 के लिए, 1 के लिए, 2 के लिए, इवन 15 लोगों के लिए भी सेम ही है, और बाकी मेंटोर्स के लिए भी सेम ही है. So you have to remember one thing, people, that you don't have to focus upon the number of people. You have to focus upon the teacher who is giving the value. Are those 108 people are giving you the value, or 17 people are giving you the value? There is only one person who is giving the value. That is the teachers. That is the mentors. Exactly. So don't focus upon कितने लोग आ रहे हैं, कितने लोग नहीं आ रहे हैं. Focus upon कि आप क्या learn कर रहे हो. Right? So if you are here, it means that you want to grow yourself. और मुझे पता है कि कौन कौन रोज आते हैं, मुझे दिख जाता है कि कौन कौन नया है, कौन कौन सिर्फ देखने आया और चला जाएगा अभी. राइट? तो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, मुझे बिल्कुल फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, क्योंकि उनको अपनी लाइफ से फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. I always take in the interest in those people who take interest in themselves. You have always heard this quotation ना, God helps those who help themselves. भगवान भी उन्हीं की मदद करते हैं जो खुद की मदद करते हैं. सिमिलरली इट गोज विद द टीचर एज वेल. टीचर आपको एक बार बोलेगी, 2 बार बोलेगी, 3 बार बोलेगी, 4 बार बोलेगी, 5 बार बोलेगी, उसके बाद वो भी चुप हो जाएगी. बिकॉज इफ यू आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन इम्प्रूविंग योरसेल्फ, व्हाई विल टीचर से यू? ओके, सो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर ऑल दीज थिंग्स पीपल. ओके एवरीवन, समझ आया? डोंट फोकस अपॉन द नंबर, फोकस ऑन योर लर्निंग. राइट, फोकस अपॉन योर लर्निंग. ओके, समझ आया? Any doubts, anyone? Any doubts, anything? Any doubts, anyone? कोई डाउट है किसी के मन में? मैंने अभी तो 3 पॉइंट्स बताए हैं आपको. ओके, हाँ, यू शुड नॉट से दिस इवन बिकॉज बाकी मेंटोर्स की क्लासेस में भी पहले बहुत ज़्यादा बच्चे थे, अब बहुत ज़्यादा कम है. तो यू डोंट हैव टू से दिस टू द एनी मेंटोर बिकॉज दे आर गिविंग देयर हार्ट एंड सोल. बिकॉज एवरीबडी ऑफ अस, चाहे वो मैथ्स की टीचर है, चाहे वो पेंटिंग है, चाहे वो कोडिंग है, चाहे वो डांस की टीचर है, दे आर गिविंग देयर 100% टू ग्रूम यू अप. दे आर गिविंग देयर 100% टू ग्रूम यू अप. एंड ये तो पूरे स्कूल के लिए है ना, तो पूरे स्कूल में अब वहाँ पे डिपेंड करता है कि इवन इफ द स्कूल इज प्रोवाइडिंग यू विद एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू ग्रो योरसेल्फ, द चाइल्ड इज नॉट इंटरेस्टेड. दिस इज समथिंग दैट द चाइल्ड नीड्स टू फॉलो अपॉन. ओके, यहाँ पे, और उनको इसीलिए देखने चाहिए थे सेशन, और उनको इसीलिए देखने चाहिए थे सेशन. राइट? सो नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट वी विल टॉक अबाउट इज, okay, so I was asking, do you have any doubts, anyone? We talked about 3 points, that you have to take yourself as a positive magnet. Second is you have to be really energetic. You have to act as a positive magnet. आपको बहुत ज़्यादा एनर्जी रखनी है अपने अंदर. And third and the basic important point is that आप किसी से भी मिल रहे हो, you have to radiate positivity. You have to radiate positivity. आप motivated हो, आप inspired हो. Right, everyone? So let's move forward to the 4th point. Shall we move to the 4th point, everyone? Shall we move to the 4th point, everyone? Okay. Good, good, good. Very good. When you want to develop your personality, the basic important factor through which you can develop your personality is having a teacher in your life who can guide you. Who can guide you. Who can guide you. You need to have a teacher in your life who can guide you to develop your personality. Similarly, for example, you have math teacher to develop your math. For example, you have Hindi teacher to develop your Hindi. आपकी लाइफ में आपके स्कूल में इंग्लिश टीचर है जो आपकी हेल्प करते हैं इंग्लिश डेवलप करने में. सिमिलरली इट्स वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट कि आपकी लाइफ में व्हेन यू वांट टू डेवलप योर पर्सनालिटी यू हैव अ टीचर हु इज हेल्पिंग यू इन दैट. हु इज हेल्पिंग यू इन दैट. ओके, हु इज हेल्पिंग यू इन दैट. Because when you have a teacher, that teacher will give you one-on-one sessions. That teacher will help you in seeing you कि आप कहाँ लैक कर रहे हो. और अब होता क्या है, जब ऐसे सेशंस होते हैं, ग्रुप सेशंस होते हैं, तो उसमें टीचर्स दे कैन नॉट गिव यू इंडिविजुअल दे कैन नॉट गिव यू इंडिविजुअल सोल्यूशंस, दे कैन नॉट गिव यू इंडिविजुअल गाइडेंस, बिकॉज जो इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको दी जा रही है वो सबके लिए सेम ही है. अब वो हो सकता है कि किसी के लिए वो वाली इन्फॉर्मेशन ना हो, वो किसी के लिए हो. ऐसा हो सकता है कि किसी के लिए कुछ और इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए हो, क्योंकि उसकी पर्सनालिटी में और चीज़ों में कमी है. So it is always recommended that you have a teacher in your life, that you have a teacher in your life to guide you to develop your personality. And grooming your personality is not a one-time process कि आपने एक महीना सीखा उसके बाद आपको जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. It's a lifetime process. Every day you need to develop yourself, and if you want to develop yourself every day, you need to have a teacher in your life. Mentor होना ही चाहिए आपका. अब वो आप कहीं से ढूंढ के लाओ, चाहे आप इंटरनेट से ढूंढ रहे हो, चाहे आप कहीं से भी ढूंढ रहे हो. हैव अ मेंटोर हु कैन आल्सो गाइड यू टू डेवलप योर पर्सनालिटी. मेक सेंस एवरीवन? मेक सेंस? फॉर एग्जांपल, आई एम ओवर हियर till 5th of June, and then I will not be in connection with you. Then what you will do everyone to develop your personality? एक जो कंसिस्टेंसी होती है वो ब्रेक हो जाती है, and when consistency breaks up, what happens over there is you are not able to focus upon yourself. You are not able to focus upon yourself क्योंकि आप लोगों को यही नहीं पता हो तो मेरी कमियाँ क्या है, where am I going wrong, right? So it's very very important everyone that you need to have a teacher in your life who can guide you to develop your personality, to develop your mindset. Alright everyone, समझ आया? Got it? Got it everyone? Everyone understood? Give me yes or no so that if I can get a clarity and I can move forward accordingly. Any doubt? Any doubt people? Any doubt students? Any doubt? Any doubt anyone? Any doubt? Okay. 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 So let's move forward to the 5th point. Let's move forward to the 5th point. Anybody can tell me that और क्या चीज़ें चाहिए होती है पर्सनालिटी डेवलप करने के लिए? You tell me now. मैंने आपको 4 पॉइंट बताए. अब आप बताओ आपके थॉट में हमें क्या क्या चाहिए टू डेवलप आवर पर्सनालिटी. You tell me everyone that what is required to develop your personality according to you. If you want to develop your personality, if you want to develop your mindset, if you want to develop your entire structure of how you present yourself, then what is required to do that? What is it required to develop it? Tell me, give me your input. Positive attitude, ठीक है. और बताइए. Positive attitude के बारे में हमने बात कर ली. What else everyone? What else do you think is very very important? Tell everyone, बोलो. Everyone speak up. अरे पॉजिटिव माइंडसेट की हमने अभी बात ही करी. You have to consider yourself as a positive magnet, right? That you are attracting things. You are becoming a kind of a person who is always focusing upon the positive. Yes, this is also a good point that you have to focus on one thing at a single time. Always remember Productivity is very important when you want to develop your personality. Confidence is very important when you develop your personality. What is productivity? कि आप कितने effectively किसी काम को complete करते हैं, कितने effectively आप किसी काम को complete करते हैं. ठीक है, अगर मैंने आपको बोला कि आप मैथ्स का भी ये सम कर लो, अभी हिंदी का भी कर लो, इंग्लिश का भी कर लो, सब साइंस का भी कर लो, सब कुछ कर लो, तो आपके दिमाग में बहुत ज़्यादा कंफ्यूजन हो जाती है ना. यू गेट कंफ्यूज. So that is known as multitasking. In order to develop your personality, you have to be very light on yourself as well, because in the initial days you don't have the habit. So आपको धीरे धीरे अपने आप को हैबिट देनी है. तो टू डू लिस्ट के हिसाब से चलना है हमें वहाँ पे. Presentation skills, communication skills, yes, they are very important. How you present yourself. And everyone remember one thing. For example, you are going out somewhere, तो हम लोग कभी भी किसी से मिलने चले जाते हैं, so we get, हम कैसे भी कपड़े पहन लेते हैं, whether it is suiting me or not, whether it is suiting my body type or not, whether the jeans is looking good or not, whether my dress is ironed or not, whether my shirt is ironed or not, whether my shoes are polished or not, whether my shoes are correct or not, whether my nails are perfect or not, okay, whether my hair are perfect or not. We don't focus upon all these things. But if you want to develop your personality, if you want to present your personality in a very good way, आपको इन सब चीज़ों पे भी ध्यान देना पड़ेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मैं कभी किसी इवेंट में जाती हूँ, when I go to events, when I go to trainings, when I train people, so what happens over there is I present myself as a person who is very amazing in terms of dressing sense as well. In terms of dressing sense myself, because how you carry yourself means how you develop your personality, how you are developing your personality. And when you look good, you feel good about yourself, you feel confident. Yes everyone, जब अच्छे कपड़े पहनते हो, जब आप सुंदर लग रहे होते, you are looking smart, you are looking very good, तो आपको अच्छा लगता है ना खुद से. You feel good everyone. Isn't it everyone? That when you look good, you feel good, आपको confidence आता है अंदर से. Similarly, it's very important to look good, because होता क्या है, हम लोग ऐसे घर में नॉर्मली, अब जैसे लॉकडाउन चल रहा है, हम लोग सुबह उठते हैं, नहाते हैं, हम फिर से नाइट सूट पहन लेते हैं. हम लोग उठते हैं, नहाते हैं, फिर से नाइट सूट पहन लेते हैं. तो व्हाट हैपेंस ओवर देयर इज, हमारे को पूरे दिन ही नींद आती है, क्योंकि हम लोगों ने नाइट के कपड़े पहने होते हैं ना. हमें पूरे दिन रात को राइट, इट्स व्हाट हैपेंस कि हमने पूरे दिन नाइट के कपड़े पहने हैं, तो उससे क्या होता है, हमारे अंदर वाइब्रेशंस आती है सोने की. So what I do is every day that when I take a bath and when I in the very morning, what I do is I just dress up very beautifully, because when I dress up, it gives me a lot of confidence. Okay everyone, so you have to take this care in your mind, that even if you are at your home, even if you are at home, कहीं जाने को नहीं है बाहर, still you have to look good, because when you see yourself in mirror and you are looking very good, आपको अच्छा लगता है, you feel very good. Okay, it takes 21 days to get perfect in something. That is actually wrong. It takes 66 days to develop a habit. It takes 66 days to develop a habit everyone. 66 days अगर आप कोई चीज़ कंटिन्यूसली करते हो, तब जाके वो आपकी हैबिट बनती है. Okay, now how to wake up at 4 AM for study? You are asking the wrong person. You are asking the wrong person, because I also don't know. I am a kind of person, I cannot wake up at this is, I have told you, this is not my weakness, but this is something that I cannot do. This is not my cup of tea. तो अगर आपको ये सीखना है कि 4 बजे, तो आप उससे सीखो. तो आप उससे सीखो कि जो लोग एक्चुअली 4 बजे उठते हैं, मुझसे मत पूछो आप इस चीज़ पर. बट हाँ, एक चीज़ ज़रूर बोलना चाहूँगी फॉर एग्जाम्पल, व्हेन अ थिंग इज देयर इन योर माइंड कि आपको वेकेशन के लिए जाना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इट्स योर फ्लाइट एट 7 AM इन द मॉर्निंग, तो आप कितने बजे उठ जाओगे? सुबह 3 बजे उठ जाओगे. तब आपको नींद नहीं आती. लेकिन when it comes to your dreams, when it comes to your studies, when it comes to healthy things, so then you get a lot of sleep. Then it becomes very difficult for you to wake up. So So if you want to do it means that you are really not interested in developing yourself. You are only interested in vacations. You are only interested in something that makes you get out of your comfort zone. That makes you in your comfort zone. Sorry. And it's very important that आप अपने dreams के लिए भी सुबह 4 या 5 बजे उठो. People are saying with the help of alarm. Yes. मेरे साथ तो ऐसा होता है कि अलार्म बजे मेरे सर पे, मैं तो अलार्म बंद करके फिर सो जाती हूँ. आई एम दैट काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन. लेकिन मैं अलार्म रोज लगाती हूँ. दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई डू. मैं अलार्म रोज लगाती हूँ to wake up at 4:45 or 5 a.m. But every day what I do is I just switch off my alarm and then I again go to sleep. Okay, so yes, exactly. You have to take 2 months to develop a habit. I wake up 6 a.m. Very good. मुझे भी सिखाओ कि कैसे उठते हैं इतनी जल्दी. I don't know how mothers wake up at so early. I don't know why. But yes, when there is an appointment or when there is a meeting, I do wake up early. ऐसा नहीं है. So I wake up at 7 a.m. Okay, very good. I wake up 5 a.m. Very good everyone. Very good. If you are saying you wake up early, it's very good, because when you wake up early, you get more time in a day. Yes, I have a twin sister, Priyanka. I don't sleep. Are you even a human if you don't sleep? ऐसी बातें मत किया करो जो illogical होती है. Okay? Put your alarm at 3, then put only, you will get up at 4. नहीं ऐसा नहीं होता मेरे साथ. I am a different kind of person altogether in this. I wake up at 5:30. Very good everyone. If you are doing this, so make it a habit for lifetime that you have to wake up early. लेकिन मेरे साथ तो नहीं हो सकता है. I wake up 11. नहीं, मैं इतनी लेट भी नहीं उठती. I wake up at around 7:30 or 8. Max 8. मैक्स टू मैक्स मैं 8 बजे तक उठ जाती हूँ, 7:45 तक या साढ़े. ओके, एनी डाउट्स एनीवन टिल हियर? Any doubts anyone till here? We have any doubts anyone till here? Good everyone, good. Okay, Om. Any doubts anyone? Anybody wants to say anything? Anybody wants to ask anything? Any doubts? No. Okay. Okay. So the next thing everybody that we will, ma'am, is studying late good or studying early morning? Studying early morning is good. Like I remember when I was in school and when I was in college, I used to sleep early and I used to wake up at around 5 a.m. to study, because when you wake up early and when you study, your mind is fresh that time, and your mind is fresh that time, so it's very important you wake up early and then you study in a fresh mind. But if people, those who have this habit of studying late in night, I don't know how they do it, because in the entire day your mind is very caught up. आपका दिमाग बहुत सारी जगहों पे already रहता है. So in the night, I don't know how they get the energy, right? And as well your sleeping pattern gets disturbed, and in the long run it will hamper your lifestyle as well. It will hamper your health as well. It's very important everyone that you are focusing upon your early morning study. मैम आप कितने बजे? समझ नहीं आया मुझे. Yes, you have to study early in the morning everyone. Study in the morning. Wake up early and study in the morning. Okay? And then the most important aspect to develop your personality is having respect for yourself and respect for others. Always remember everyone, when you want to develop your personality, when you want to present out a very good image about yourself, to someone else, तो आपको उनको रिस्पेक्ट करनी पड़ती है. और उससे पहले आपको खुद को रिस्पेक्ट करनी पड़ेगी कि हाँ, जो मैं कर रही हूँ, जो मैं करता हूँ या करती हूँ, आई रिस्पेक्ट माई सेल्फ फॉर वॉट आई डू. You don't have to expect from anybody else. They will come and tell you that I respect you a lot, I appreciate you a lot. Don't wait for anybody else. Say this to your own self. Say this to your own self. That's very 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 important, everyone. If I talk about myself, I don't wait for anybody कि कोई मेरे को आके compliment करेगा, कोई मुझे आके कोई चीज़ बोलेगा. I'm a kind of person, I compliment myself on my own. That's why I made you write on a piece of paper, I love myself. Just because कि आप किसी और पर dependent नहीं हो. Okay? It's very very important, everyone, that you are focusing upon yourself, right? Focusing upon yourself. Okay, everyone? Ma'am, when I wake up early, I feel so lazy because आपको habit नहीं होती है ना. धीरे धीरे you will get to do that. Last night what happened, my legs were paining a lot, so I was not able to sleep properly. I was roaming around in the entire house. I was walking and everything was going on. And all of these things happened. So now after this session, I will take a nap for 1 hour and then I will start doing my work. Because I have a lot of meetings today. Yeah? It happens. Even I am very lazy today. Even I am not feeling that much energetic because I didn't sleep last night properly. So everybody, you have to give importance to your sleep as well. This is also a very important aspect to developing your personality and developing your mindset. Right? You have to develop your mindset. You have to get a good sleep. You have to get a good sleep. Because जब आपकी नींद पूरी नहीं होती तो आप अजीब सा फील करते हैं. You don't feel active, you don't feel positive, and a lot of other things happen. So it's very important that you're completing your sleep as well. Because हर चीज related है. When you don't complete your sleep, what happens over there is, आप जब भी स्लीप कंप्लीट नहीं करते हो तो आप अच्छा फील नहीं करते हो तो आपको कुछ करने का मन नहीं करता तो आप प्रोडक्टिव नहीं होते. एंड अल्टीमेटली आप जब रात को अपने आप से पूछोगे कि आज तूने क्या किया, तो आपने कुछ नहीं किया होता. एंड देन व्हाट हैपेंस इज यू स्टार्ट फीलिंग नेगेटिव अबाउट योरसेल्फ. So it's very 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 important, everyone, that you take a very good amount of sleep. Very important. Make sense, everyone? समझ आया सबको? Got to understand, everyone? Sleep is very important when you want to develop yourself, when you want to develop your personality. Okay? समझ आया सबको? It goes like a lazy day. That's what I am saying, that I will not prolong my day. Like ऐसे ही कि I am feeling lazy, I am not feeling active, my eyes are not feeling active. So what I will do is, after this session, I will take 1 hour of sleep and then I will get back to my energy level. So that is very very crucial, everyone. Yes, exactly, Rama. This also happens, that when you start waking up early in the beginning, what happens over there is, people, when you start doing something which you don't do regularly, जब आप कुछ करने लगते हो जो आप कभी नहीं करते हो रेगुलरली, तो आपको थोड़ा सा डिस्कम्फर्ट होता है. यू फील लेजी, यू फील लाइक नॉट डूइंग दैट बिकॉज दैट इज नॉट योर कंफर्ट जोन. बट देन इवेंचुअली व्हेन इट बिकम्स योर हैबिट, तो आपको ईजी लगता है. ओके? मेक सेंस, एवरीवन? समझ आया सबको? Got to understand, everyone? Okay. So we discussed quite good points today. So tomorrow's topic is going to be very amazing. I can tell you that. Be prepared and be excited for tomorrow's topic, because that is my favorite topic. So we are going to talk about that tomorrow. And let's move forward to the secret box of the day. And before we move to the secret box of the day, कोई doubt है आपके mind में? And everybody participate in the competition that is going on. You have to send your videos by 5th June 6 PM to the WhatsApp number. For all further queries, you can see the post of Raval Digital Month, that how you can participate in the competition, what are the topics, but do participate. Okay, everyone? How many of you are going to participate? How many of you will participate in the competition? Because I want every student who comes in the personality development class, they should participate, okay? Who all will participate in the competition? Let me know. Very good, push. Looking forward. Everybody, and tell your friends also to participate, okay? Tell your friends also to participate. Very good everyone. Very good. What about others? What about others? आप में से कौन participate करेगा competition में? Okay, very good Priyanka, very good Kush, very good Kalpana, Swati, very good everyone. I always participate in all competitions. Very good Kalpana, very good. So happy to see that. Very good Shreya, very good. Very good Pooji, very good. So happy. Very good Rama. Very good everyone, very good. Participate and I will be judging your videos as well. Very good Mamta. Yes Kalpana, and everybody please tell your friends as well to participate. That's very important, okay? Very important. Very good. Good. So let's move forward to the secret box of the day. So let's move forward to the secret box of the day, everyone. Excited? Excited to know what is the secret box of the day? Everybody, are you excited to know what is the secret box of the day, everyone? Okay, everyone. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, excited. So today you will focus upon your peace of mind. Today you will focus upon your peace of mind, everyone. So how you will do that? You will focus upon your peace of mind. Okay, and how you will do that, everyone? Tell me that today for 10 minutes after this session or whenever you get time, you will play the Om chant on your phone, on your YouTube, okay? You will play Om chant on your YouTube and then you will sit quietly, you will close your eyes, you will sit quietly and you will concentrate on your breath. And for 10 minutes, do that and you will see a very good difference in your mental state. You will feel very calm, very peaceful. Okay, this is your secret box of the day. And when you do that, always remember that you are always talk to yourself in a positive way. Always talk to yourself in a positive way. Okay, everyone? Okay, everyone? समझ आया? Very good. If you do this every day, still you have to. If you do this for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, जितना भी आप टाइम के लिए करते हो, तो आज आपको 10 मिनट ज़्यादा करना है. Good, Priyanka. Okay, you have to play Om chant on your phone, and then you have to sit. Yes, you can do that for 15 minutes, everyone. 10 to 15 minutes are good to go. Okay? Make sense? Everyone? Any doubt? Anybody wants to say anything? Anybody wants to say anything? And everybody start reading the books that have been told to you. No, you don't have to prepare any video today, anyone. Don't have to prepare any videos today. Just do this activity, do this for your peace of mind, everyone, okay? Okay, everyone? Very good, everyone, very good. What we have to send you, don't send anything today. No need to send anything today, anyone. Okay? Okay, everyone? So, So that's all for the today's class first. See, you have to, for the competition, you have to see the rules that are there in the poster. You go, you see them, and then you get clarity. Okay, आप उनको जाओ, उनको पढ़ो, पोस्टर में क्या क्या लिखा है, and then you will get the clarity. Very good. If you are reading books every day, it helps you. So thank you so much for being a part of today's Technology Development class, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it. You enjoyed the class, everyone? Got to learn something new? Enjoyed the class, everyone? कुछ नया सीखने को मिला? Enjoyed? Very good. Very good, very good. So happy. प्रियंका, आप लोग जो पोस्टर है वो रावल डिजिटल मंच का जो फेसबुक पेज है ना, आप उसमें नीचे जाएंगे, आपको पोस्टर मिल जाएगा. ठीक है? That how to participate in the competition. Okay? You enjoyed? Very good everyone. Thank you so much, and thank you so much to Raval Digital Munch for organizing such an incredible, I would say, summer camp, and all of you wonderful students, those who are being a part of it regularly. God bless you all. Take care and take participation in the other session as well. Take care everyone. Stay home, stay safe, and be with your parents, and love your parents, and love yourself. Okay? Thank you so much everyone. Take care.